Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel and it's an absolute pleasure to welcome you to today's product launch. On behalf of the entire Shining 3D team, thank you for joining us. We truly appreciate your time and continued trust in our innovations. We are thrilled to introduce a breakthrough that's set to redefine portable 3D scanning. Over the next 30 minutes, we will present the EinScan Rigil, a 3-mode laser 3D scanner engineered to revolutionize working efficiency in modification and design tasks. So let's dive in and discover what makes EinScan Rigil a true game changer for professionals like you. Today's session will start with a quick overview to set the context. We'll then explore how this product meets market demands through its positioning and application scenarios. Next, we'll dive into the hardware design and key features, including 3 working modes and scanning flexibility. That will be followed by an unboxing and demonstration of its wireless workflow and multi-scenario adaptability for both surface and environment scanning. We will conclude with the live demos, showcasing Rigil's powerful capabilities across 2 light sources and various operation modes. Feel free to submit your questions anytime via the chat. We'll address them all during the dedicated Q&A session at the end. Let's begin with the product concept and key messaging. This is a wireless 3D scanner with built-in computing power and hybrid light sources. To meet both performance and flexibility needs, it's the world's first scanner with 3 work modes. The keywords rapid, refined, and reliable represent high scanning efficiency, high quality data, and powerful dependable hardware. These integrated features collectively empower EinScan Rigil with exceptional performance. We'll explore each of them in detail throughout this presentation. This product is designed to meet the diverse needs of prosumers in the automotive aftermarket, a group with professional expertise often running small businesses with production-oriented demands. At the same time, Rigil is versatile enough for use in digital art, cultural heritage preservation, and education. With 3 light sources and work modes, it provides portable handheld scanning freedom while ensuring high-quality data for design and modification, significantly boosting production efficiency. The key hardware innovation driving Rigil's efficiency and data quality is the independently paired laser and infrared cameras. This dual system is optimized for both laser and infrared light sources, enabling Rigil to scan smoothly even in challenging environments, such as direct sunlight, a capability that many competitors with less advanced designs cannot match. Now let's dive deeper into the 3 working modes mentioned earlier. We have the standalone mode, fully wireless operation with onboard computing. All scanning and processing are completely directly on the device, delivering unmatched portability and convenience. Secondly, PC wireless mode. Utilize PC computing power while maintaining a flexible wireless experience. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, this mode enables seamless wireless scanning and connection to a computer, perfect for complex tasks requiring maximum processing performance. And the latest one, traditional PC wired mode, connects Rigil to a PC via USB-C cable, offering maximum stability in complex network environments or areas with restricted connectivity. Now that we have covered the work modes, let's explore the advantages of Rigil's dual scanning technologies. Blue laser mode offers outstanding accuracy, resolution, and scanning speed. It includes both cross-line and parallel line patterns, each optimized for different scanning scenarios. What truly sets this generation apart is the introduction of marker-free laser scanning. This allows efficient, high-quality scanning without the need for targets, surpassing traditional marker-based laser scans and offering better data quality than marker-free infrared scanning. Additionally, the 2 laser scan modes can be switched during the scanning process, and the data from each can be merged into one project. This enables smoother tracking, improved speed, and superior detail, all within a single scan. While blue laser mode excels at capturing fine details, infrared mode is optimized for larger objects. It supports a working distance of 160 mm to 1500 mm, and its combination of wide area coverage and eye-safe invisible light make it ideal for human scanning, quickly generating high-quality geometric and texture models. With advanced blue laser hardware and improved tracking algorithms, EinScan Rigil delivers exceptional material adaptability. It can effortlessly scan challenging surfaces such as black or reflective metals without requiring any anti-reflection spray. On top of that, Rigil's hardware maintains high outdoor reliability. Both blue laser and infrared modes perform smoothly even under direct noon sunlight. Now, my colleague Mehmet will walk you through what's included when you purchase your EinScan Rigil.
Hello everyone, I'm Mehmet from Shining 3D. Now let's dive into what's inside the EinScan Rigil box. First, the power essentials. We have here the battery compartment together with the cable. And here we have 4 batteries. This is a universal holder, which means that it can be used as a holder for the calibration board as well as a holder for the scanner. And speaking about the calibration, we have a dedicated calibration board on this side which supports 3 calibrations, which is the laser calibration, the infrared calibration and the hybrid calibration, which is crucial to achieve precise scan results. And the calibration board can be placed like this on the holder and the Type-C cable. On this side we have 6mm and 3mm markers and as well a marker removal tool. We have the power adapter depending on your region. On this side we have the packing list. And here we have the cleaning cloth. And last but not least, the EinScan Rigil itself. Without a doubt, it's a powerful laser 3D scanner, and with all the accessories, it's ready to tackle any scanning project. Now let's have a look at the hardware a little bit closer. The EinScan Rigil has an AMOLED screen. Here we have the power button. Here we have 2 infrared cameras and here 2 laser cameras. In the middle the projectors and the RGB texture camera. Here we have the sound hole, the USB-C port and even a reset button as well. And here on the bottom we have the battery compartment. And now we continue with the live demonstration of the EinScan Rigil.
EinScan Rigil features 2 blue laser line patterns, 19 cross laser line for high-speed scan and 7 parallel lines for detailed scan. These 2 patterns can be flexibility switched during the scanning process. Now let's see how Rigil delivers an efficient yet richly detailed scanning experience. First, we need to adjust the corresponding brightness. We need to set exposure until live view shows slightly reddish. And if we need to capture the texture information of the object, we also need to adjust the corresponding texture camera brightness as needed. If the environment light is insufficient, we can also turn on the backside LED supplements. And in simple, a 38-line pattern for general scanning. It's quick and fast. And for the parallel 7 lines, we can use this mode to scan fine details on the object surface. On the right side, we have multiple adjustments to be done. We need to set corresponding resolution, and we can also enable or disable texture capture. And last and also importantly, we need to select the corresponding alignment modes. Then we can play the play button to scan the officially scanning. During the scanning, we need to maintain the optimal distance. Green zone indicator we can see on the right side, and we better maintain this distance inside the green range. During scanning, you also need to remember that move the scanner steady across the surfaces of the object. And for some narrow space, we can also overlap scan passes slightly for complete coverage. And then, after a whole scanning, we can review the captured data. And then, if the data is satisfied, we can save or export the scan files. EinScan Rigil has special feature tracking algorithm, provides a marker-free blue laser scanning mode, enabling better efficiency than traditional marker-based laser scan and better data quality than marker-free IR scan. And you can see it on the screen that the type of laser lines is also switchable in marker-free mode to achieve both high-speed scanning and fine details. Besides these powerful laser scanning modes, EinScan Rigil also features an IR rapid scan mode that can cover large areas, enabling efficient modeling of medium to large size objects. Equipped with human eye-safe invisible light resources, it is particularly well-suited for scanning portraits. So yeah, we need to switch to IR mode using the top toggle button. Of course, same basic workflow as laser scanning applies. And on the left panel features adjustable working distance control, also real-time capture range modification. And we also have a special intelligent plane detection function available under IR scanning. It can automatically separate plane surface on the bottom of the scan object, which can isolate objects below detect planes. So same, we need to maintain steady movement speed during the IR scanning and select appropriate resolution for your specific object. EinScan Rigil's advanced outdoor scanning capability allows seamless tracking even under harsh noon sunlight, with both infrared and blue laser modes. Despite the sculpture's lack of clean geometry, its adaptive lighting and the unique texture feature hybrid alignment algorithm paired with a wide scan field of view ensure fast and precise capture of a 3D model.
This thing definitely is next level. I mean, I already loved the EinScan Vega because it's an all-in-one solution, but I was always missing laser scanning. And now I can just laser scan and inspect the data on site, prepare the data, upload it to my cloud. I don't need my laptop, I don't need data cables. I just begin and I just do productive scans all on site. I can check the data on site, whether it's texture or geometry, like engine base, car stuff, DIY stuff, all of this. It's super handy, it's small, it's lightweight. I don't think it weighs that much more than a Vega, to be honest. And I'm really looking forward to use it. This thing that was missing I was missing it. I didn't know I missed it, but now when I do have it in my hands, I know I was missing it all the time. So I'm really looking forward to try this and to work with this a lot. Yeah, definitely. That's something to fall in love with.
With the lasers, color, everything, even speed is very fast, totally wireless. This is what we were looking for from a long time.
We have here the EinScan Rigil here, one of the most advanced portable laser 3D scanners. As you can see, it is really compact and really lightweight. The EinScan Rigil use laser mode, and as you can see, it has many cross-line laser, and it means that you can do the 3D scans really quick and really fast with high precision. That's all. And as you can see, we capture a 3D scan with many details in the 3D scanner, really quick and really fast. And you can do all of the process on this 3D scanner. It means that you can do the meshing and do the optimization on the 3D scanner. It has different kind of light source. One of the main light sources is laser, a cross-line laser, and also it has IR mode, which lets you to capture texture from different 3D objects. Especially you can capture 3D scan from the humans.
%, yeah. And if I want to go faster, I can also work with the software on the PC. I can work wireless, so it's really amazing. And it's done. So really nice.
非常的轻巧，然后扫描的速度比我想象中的还快，而且它完全无线，相当方便，不用接电脑，然后扫描效果比我想象中的好太多了，然后处理速度也比我想象中的还好。那扫描出来的数据完整，拿来做逆向工程，完全是非常适合一个设备。
Thank you for joining us today.